stretching session. So first just grab a towel and we have to do a calf stretch right now first. So just put the towel around your toes, right at the balls of your feet. Make sure your feet is at 90 degree and the knee is not bent. Knee is quite straight, and just put a stretch on your calves by making your toe come towards you. This is a passive stretch, so just hold it for 25 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. Yeah. Same other side. You can use a longer towel as well. So next exercise is we are stretching our hamstring and bit of our back area. So first what you have to do is just get into this kind of position. Just your legs should form a 90 degree, just like L, and bend one leg from any leg, doesn't matter. Bend one leg, and from your front hand of your the straight leg, you just have to reach towards your leg. Just reach it and just stay there. You don't have to go all out on the first attempt. Just make sure to stretch 70 to 75%. Yeah, again 25 seconds each. 25 seconds. Hold. 3, 4, 5, 6. Just relax for a moment, take few deep breaths, and then you just have to touch it again, and try and touch it with your the other hand. You have to touch it with both your hands. You just have to try. So I'm gonna this one would be 100%, 100% effort. Yeah. Again 25 seconds hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Take few deep breaths, and then straighten up this leg and bend this leg. And just same thing you just have to do, repeat it on the other side as well. So I'm not going to do it, just have to do it by yourself. So moving on to the next exercise, what you have to do is just stretch little. Yeah, you just have to stretch your quads. So just lie on sidewards and make sure your body is lying in a line, very straight. So your arm should be 90 degree, so that the stability is there in the position. Just grab your ankle and stretch it. It will be stretched. Your front of the thighs will be stretched. So try and get your knee backwards, as back as possible. The backer it goes, the more stretch you will gonna feel here. Again 25 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently relax. Yeah, same thing you have to do the on other leg as well. So next exercise is sit and reach, simple sit and reach. So you have to do it in 2 sets. So first one would be your 80% of your max, and next one would be 100% effort, that is. So just reach as far as you can, that is 80%. My max is 20% more, so whatever your max is, just go towards 80% of it. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. Relax. Cool. So this time round I'll be going 100% of my max, that is max. Yeah. So simple as far as I can go. And grab your toe. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. Yeah. Super. Next exercise is wide legs till reach. Widen up your leg as far as you can, just as far as you can. As far as I can. Yeah, you must be feeling a stretch in your inner thighs right now as well. So you just have to reach as far as you can forward. You can take support of your hands if you can, if you want, but try and reach as far as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And one more thing is your hip flexors become too active. Too active in the sense they are always contracted. So now we are stretching it. So very important exercise for your posture and all. So you just have to stay here and get a big stride in forward, and try and go as far as you can, bending your knee as far as you can. If you want, you can put a hand on your hip and make it go forward as far as you can. If you want if there is a stability problem, grab something stationary thing and get the stability going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put your ankles on your knee and put one hand right between the gap and grab your knee like this, and other hand from the side and grab your knee. Pull your knee as far as you can, as close to your head as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4. You must be feeling a good stretch on your bent knee, right? Like the knee which is forming an L. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing other side. And now we are coming on to our low back muscles, back area, spine. So what we have to do is just lie nice and relaxed. Spread out your arms, like just spread such as it becomes a T. Raise your one leg and reach as far as you can, as far as you can. Make sure your this shoulder shouldn't come up like this or like this from the ground. And if you have the mobility, grab your knee with the other hand and pull it down as far as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, same thing other side as well. So next what you have to do is we are coming to on the upper part of our back, upper part of our spine. So get into this kind of a position. Just a second. Yeah. Form a 90 degree L from your abdominal area, from your hip, and 90 degree from your knee as well. Make sure in this exercise your hip shouldn't rotate, hip shouldn't move at all. From here, just be like this and just reach as far as you can, other side, as far as you can. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Same thing other side as well. So next what we are coming at is just have to stay like this, be like this, and spread out your arms like this. Just form a E shape with your head in between, like this. E shape is formed. What you have to do is just reach, raise one leg and reach as far as you can, other side. Yeah, like this. And make sure your upper body doesn't move at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, same thing other side as well. So now we are coming at cobra stretch, which is quite common. We will be doing it in rather three sets, that is. So first one would be just arm put right under your shoulders, right around your shoulders, and just get up as fast as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. gently come down and just move your hand a bit down around your chest, and then just get up from there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 5. Gently again come down. Now you just have to be here, hands should be here, and just come on your fingers like this, and then just get up and look as up as possible. 1 2 3 4 5. If this isn't possible, if your fingers are hurting, then just come back, come down, make your hands go down, and then just get up from there. At the last, in the last set, you just have to go all out, stretch 100%, and yeah. From here, what we have to do is get up and make a child pose. Your upper back should stretch here. Should be stretched, upper back and shoulders. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Try and get your hip as up as possible and your chest as down as possible. Like this. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah. Being here in this position, what you have to do is get one hand right in the line of your head, and other hand right under this arm, and reach as far as you can, but try and don't rotate. Make sure you don't rotate like this. Make sure your shoulders don't come under like this. Just go as far as you can. My shoulders are here, and I'm going down as far as you can. When I reach my max limit, I'll simply change my grip like this and stretch the reach down. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, if you're not feeling the stretch on this exercise, what you have to do is just get both arms right here, right in front of you, and get one arm over this arm and just stretch it like this. Yeah, keeping your back straight, just out. 2 3, and same amount of time. So next, what you have to do is being in the same position, just put one arm as far as you can, being in this kind of position, and the other arm nice and relaxed, bent as far as you can, and then just stretch it. Just go down, go down. You'll feel the tension right here. 2 3 4 5. Same thing other side as well. So next, what we are doing is we are stretching rear delts. So try and keep your body in line again, sideways, and make a 90-degree angle with your arm on shoulder and on elbow as well, like this. And from the other arm, try and make sure that your shoulder shouldn't come up while doing this exercise. And from the other arm, just get it down as far as you can, till your shoulder doesn't come up. Down, down, down. Put your head on your shoulders so that it doesn't come up. 1 2 3 4 5. Same thing other side as well. So yeah. So next, what you have to do is we are stretching our spine. Last thing, if something is remaining, just rotate your neck, just stretch bit of neck area, and you'll be completing your whole body. And the last thing what you have to do is stretch the spine in its neutral position. So just get this kind of arm position like this, and go down as you can, and then just go up as far as you can. Try and touch the ceiling. 1 2 3 4 5 6